weak set of earnings. In fact, went into losses for the third quarter. Manish Sanghi, the managing director, joins us on the phone line. Mr. Sanghi, good morning. Thank you very much for joining us. Is this a one-off? I mean, you've reported losses and income down 11%. Do things look any better in January?
Yeah, good morning. We got badly hit by the demonetization. The rural markets particularly were very severely affected, and we saw, while the wholesale didn't decline as much, the retail saw very huge dips, both in terms of price as in terms of volumes. We're already seeing things returning to some sense of normality in the month of January, and we think going forward the basic factors remain positive, and we think of it as a one-off for sure.
Okay. Mr. Sanghi, good morning. So do you expect things to get back to the normal, and is the latent demand strong enough to compensate for the quarter gone by?
The latent demand is strong, and the good thing about a product like ours is that the demand doesn't disappear, it just gets postponed. So we expect all of it to come back in both the segments, in both the roofing as well as in the steel building segment. So yeah, we expect things to be back to normal.
And you will be able to improve your margins, or will this be more a volume-led game?
In our case, both the things move hand in hand. The pricing and the volume tend to go up together. So we expect a better price as well as a better volume in Q4 and going forward.
Okay. Just a word on your exports as well, because there, the demonetization shouldn't have had any impact. How was the export performance?
The export performance wasn't very good. Export is primarily to Middle East, and for the last 3 quarters, it has been very weak on account of the low oil price and in general slowdown in the Middle East. So, but surprisingly enough, little shoring up of the oil prices saw doing our best in December in the last 6-7 months. So I expect that to become better as well.
Okay. Do you expect interest costs to fall?
We have already readjusted our interest cost, and so the interest cost per se will go down in terms of percentage. We have also trimmed down our inventory quite a bit in the last quarter, and we expect interest costs to become much better.
All right. Mr. Sanghi, pleasure speaking with you. Thank you very much for joining us. So the management